Hello everybody and welcome back to another edition of Tall Stephen Paul Yard Work Series. Today we're going to be working on another walkway. If you saw my other one, I did the walkway to the spa, ripped out the cement, put in flagstone. This time I'm going to be ripping out a wooden walkway. If you like the video, like it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below or a question, share it, and subscribe. That'd be great, really appreciate it. So let's take a peek at the project we're going to be doing. Going to do a little before walkthrough. Here we go. Okay, so as usual, my dog is going to be watching me. You can see the last part of the new edging I put in. I'm going to rip out all this, put in the new edging, and then here is the before. Walking through here, not sure how old this is, 20 years maybe, I don't really know. And kind of curves around over here and then goes to the side of the house where there's just a bunch of gravel and a shed. Okay, we are down to the last 4 flagstones, and I didn't buy any extra. I forgot how many I needed, and I kind of bought what I got. So I did get those 4 last flagstones set, so I did not need to go buy any extras. I got them to fit, so take a quick peek here. So, got the last 4 in, they fit okay. And we shall keep moving on. project done in the yard. Walkway is done. Ripped out all the old wood, put in the flagstone. I buried the water line and power line that was going across. That's the way the house came. And so I think it looks a lot better. So we are going to move on to the next project, which I believe is going to be repairing the patio. So thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. That'd be great. I'd really appreciate it. And you guys all take care of yourselves, and we will see you next time. Bye.